Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to assign Oneplus Buds 3R. While you receive a call, just tap double times to attend or reject the call or cut the call or end the call. How to assign that? So you can simply do this thing with Hey Melody application. Open your Play Store, then download Hey Melody application. Then open the application and give some permissions like location and Bluetooth. Then connect the device. Then go to this section's earbuds. You can see here. Then just select which side, left or right. Then scroll up. Then you can see option of when on a call. Select double tap earbuds function. Then assign that answer and end call. Whenever you are receiving a call, you double tap earbuds, then left side, then it will be answer the call. If you press double tap again, so do double tap again, then it will be end the call. Actually, it is attend the call, then end the call. Directly not decline the call. If you need to decline the call, you can select long touch and hold, then decline the call. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replaces video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.